Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the knockout names, and some calls it shadow as well. So let's get started. So I'm just going to add my text. Bring it up here. I'm just going to resize so I can see it better. Going to change the font to Georgia. Okay, we're going to add another text. Open bracket, name, vertical bar, name, and close bracket. Then I'm going back to the font and change this to glitter. And there it is. Just going to bring this up here. So we're going to the letter space feature to bring the letters closer to each other. I'm just going to zoom in to see better. And as you can see, between the D and A needs to get closer. So I am ungrouping, and then I'm selecting the swash and the D to move it closer to the A. So now I'm going to select what I have ungrouped, and then I'm going to weld. It is now one image. So there is the last name and the name. So now I'm going to bring up the name against the last name and just sort of play with it and see how long you want the swash to be sticking out or not. Then I'm going to select both, go to align and center it. And if you're like me, I like to change the color of my canvas. So I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to duplicate it. Now I'm just going to change the color just so I know which one I'm going to change from cut to print. We're going to choose print on this, and then we're going to click make it. Then hit continue, send to printer. And you can see right here there's a blue button right here and it's on. And if you turn it off, you will see that the text is really thin, and then when you turn it on, it becomes bold. And we want to leave it on. Then we're going to save as, name your file, save, and then exit out. Cancel. Hit yes, you want to cancel. Then we're just going to delete that. We're going to hit upload, upload image, browse, find the file, and then click simple and continue. So I'm not going to use the one on this one. What I'm going to do is zoom in, and then I'm going to choose the crop feature and just carefully crop the image. And there you go. And click continue. We're going to save it as cut image, name the file and save. And there it is. Going to insert. I'm going to zoom in just to see better. Bring this down here and rotate it. So you can change the width up here, which I already know. I think it's like 7.49 on mine. It's the same as the other image. I'm going to change this to white and put this right here and bring this to the front so I can see if it fits. Okay, that looks about right. I'm going to move this down a little bit and bring this up here. Select both. Align it to center. And now we're going to slice. Okay, I'm going to move this here, highlight this whole thing so I can delete it. I'm going to bring this up in the middle. And there you go. That's how you do the knockout names. Alright you guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you want to see more, please don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.